So maybe people are asking more questions, and that's why educational based sites, which are geared towards providing the answers, they might do better.
SEOscience.com.
I was wondering whether it would have anything to do with certain niches and whether like certain niches would perform better on Bing, and whether that would tie into the types of people who use Bing. Because I was looking at some interesting stats before about like the demographics of Bing users. Now there's some really interesting ones. Like most people who are going to use Bing are between 18 and 44. That's about 70 or 67% of all users are between that age bracket. And I think that ties in quite interestingly with the consoles, because I imagine that age range is going to be playing consoles a lot more.
Mhm.
Also, two-thirds of Bing users are men, which is an interesting one.
Yeah. I don't know if that would that fall under like it just being like more console related maybe, but
It could be, but I
um
know a lot of women play consoles as well. I don't know
uh,
why two-thirds, like so many men are using Bing.
mm,
Maybe they just like the ease of the ChatGPT. They don't like thinking too hard.
yeah.
Um, but I don't know. It's a bit of a weird one, but I think maybe certain niches might tie in or might perform better on Bing, given things like that. That's just pure speculation. But I don't know. What do you think?
Well, it's difficult to judge it just based on the demographic itself. Like 18 to 44 is a massive range as well. Like
Yeah,
obviously that would be right.
two
Um,
generations in there.
so maybe it's like I would expect it to be noticeably older. Is because like obviously if you're an older person and you have come pre-programmed with a computer, you have like this option to like instantly just go on Edge and then go on Bing and then all of that combines. So that makes it easier. But to see it's mainly 18 to 44 is a bit crazy to be honest, because that means, yeah, it has to be mainly console based, I think, like especially the 18 to older bracket. Um, Also something to think about niches now that you bring it up. Maybe the reason your site is performing well is because people are like asking ChatGPT for like prompts, and then
Yeah,
that like obviously because that's what it's based around, right? So then you have like if someone's looking for like a writing help, let's say, like
yeah,
they Bing might direct them to your website, for example.
yeah. And I wonder what, because yeah, yeah, speaking to something almost, you're gonna ask more question-based
Yeah.
keywords. You're not
Hmm.
gonna search like keywords, are you? Like
Hmm.
I would do that like on Google sometimes, would just like type a random bunch of, well, not a random bunch of keywords, but keywords that don't make any sense put together. But when you're speaking to a chatbot, you need to articulate a bit more.
Hmm.
So maybe people are asking more questions, and that's why educational based sites, which are geared towards providing the answers, they might do better.